sweet, sweet Jamaica. Rich in culture and rich in the variety of food we offer. Today, I'm talking to Ras Aita, a young man who makes and sells natural delicious smoothies from Jamaican fruits, vegetables, and rich plant life. His stall is located where Lower Market Street and Strand Street intersect. You can't miss it. Big umbrella, a sign that reads green juice, and the stall is absolutely decorated with Rasta colors and pictures of Haile Selassie and his wife. And of course, when you come this side, you will undoubtedly hear taxi drivers calling out for Fairview and Freeport passengers. Let's start with one of his loyal customers.
Yeah, so do you come here every day?
Almost every day.
Almost every day?
Yeah, Rasta, get the power punch on me, you know?
Right.
All of them bad juice there. But me have to keep muscles free for all of them every day there. And yeah, you know it's in set up.
You work
stallion and them things there. So you know, so you have to big up yourself and, you know, straighten up yourself. So you know, some stallion told you have to pick up. So you have to drink some of the liquid one. Bill, that's what can lift up them. See it? Only for respect. Rasta, give me juice.
Which one are you getting today?
I'm getting power punch today.
Power punch?
Yeah,
okay.
man.
Okay.
Yeah,
And you enjoy it?
yes, man.
Tastes good?
Yes, man. Refreshing, you know? Yeah, just refreshing. Yeah. See, here, same I give me a Spirulina sponge instead of the power punch. That makes it even better and greater. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's made already?
Yeah, man. Better than greater, you understand? Yeah, easy this. Rasta, little more, big up.
That look like it tastes good though.
Yes,
So my name is Ital. I'm a nutritionist. I love to promote healthy living, love healthy lifestyle, love Rastafari on a whole. And I do this, you know, because I love to promote health and to see my people and the people I'm surrounded by living healthy. So some of the things that I do different types of fruit smoothies, I do shakes, I do roots, you know, I even do sip as well, I do pastries.
What's sip?
Sip is a vegetable soup, vegetable and bean soup. Sweeteners soup.
Vegetable and bean soup.
Yeah, so it have things like chickpeas and gungo and so on. It does have a lot of coconut juice in it, which gives it the flavor. You know, it's all natural item.
Okay.
Rastafari style.
It's all natural stuff that you do.
Yeah.
How long you been doing this for, you said?
I've been doing it for 3 years.
3 years? Okay. Have tropical fruit smoothies, okra and tuna?
Jelly
Explain
water.
that one.
Yeah, okra and tuna with jelly water.
So like the tuna plant?
Yeah, like the cactus.
In Jamaica, we call it tuna plant. In Mexico, they call it nopals. In some places, it's called prickly pear. It's a species of the cactus plant. And I bet you didn't know that it has one of the highest amounts of vitamin C in it when compared to other fruits. It's cooked and eaten in some countries, eaten raw in others, and in Jamaica, some people drink it.
It's not slimy because okra smells slimy too.
Right.
Help me out.
Yeah, so yeah, both is it have a very thick texture. I do it in a balanced way though. It's not too thick and it's not too watery. It's just balanced.
Okay.
And that is good for it's good for your joints. It's good for back. It's good for brain. It's good for your skin, your hair, and so forth.
So for your back, your joints, your skin, your hair.
Right. And the jelly water good for your heart. Wash out your heart.
Clean your heart
Yes.
from cholesterol or bad vibes.
Both of them.
Alright, so you have the beetroot fruit shake that the lady just got, right?
Alright, so right now I'm doing a beetroot fruit shake. This beautiful customer here. So
What's in the beetroot fruit shake?
beetroot,
Right.
some banana, pineapple, papaya, It's a watermelon and ginger.
Wow. That sounds delicious. Is it? How often do you get it? She gets it every day when she's downtown. And can I tell you guys? He is busy. Do you put sugar in it? Or it's just the sweets, just the fruits?
The sweet from the fruits, or I use agave nectar or honey or cane sweetener.
Agave nectar, honey, or cane sweetener.
Agave nectar, also called agave syrup and maguey syrup, is made from different species of the agave plant. One type, the blue agave syrup, is said to be between 1.4 to 1.6 times sweeter than sugar. For those who are vegans, it can be a wonderful alternative to honey.
That's innovative. I've never seen that one.
Rastaman trademark, yeah.
Okay. What's the cane sweetener?
Cane. Use sugar cane to make syrup.
Oh,
Right?
the sea. Oh, it's supposed to taste good. The sea moss soursop.
I'm out of it now, but I'm about to prepare some. This is the soursop, that is sea mash and ice.
Okay. And
Green juices, you know, is naturally for cleansing, and it gives you a lot of energy as well.
what's the green juice? Different type of
Different
green
types
leafy
of
vegetables?
greens,
Okay.
like kale, it's spinach sometimes, purslane, and so forth.
What's the third one? Purslane?
Purslane.
What?
Purslane is what some people call parsley in Jamaica. It grows very wild, like in the cracks of places and so. It grow wild on the street too. But it's very rich in iron. It's good for your nails, good for your skin, and it does. It's a type of laxative as well. Cleanse out toxins and heavy metals and stuff.
I've never heard about that one, so I'm learning a lot today.
Yeah, man, you probably grow in your backyard.
I not even know. Wish we could have seen a picture of it right now.
I'm out of it now.
You're out of it. Okay. Go ahead. You can continue. This is the purslane. I have seen that plant. You are so correct.
Yeah.
You
very
see, there are a lot of things, and I don't think I'm the only Jamaican who doesn't know these things. I did not know that. I can get a peep inside. This is.
Alright, so this one is on the eating shift. I just start.
Oh, you just
haven't put
started. Alright,
anything in it.
Alright, cool. Where were we? We were at like the spirulina.
Yeah,
So what's the spirulina good for?
alright, so spirulina is a very rich green plant. It have things like beta carotene that's good for your eyes. It gives you a lot of energy. You know, it keeps your brain functioning properly. You know, it's rich in chlorophyll, and chlorophyll helps to oxygenate your blood and cleanse you. Just a few stuff. It's an energy booster.
So are you here every day?
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday at this spot at the end of Lower Market Street, right before you get to Strand Street. That's where he's at. Nice meeting.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never